Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a floating boat cutout on the Mockitup application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the cutout button next to the logo option at the upper side of the screen, and in the featured section scroll down and go to the floating boat cutout and just select a template and new you can edit. If you want to add the text to your project, click to the text button at the lower left corner of the screen, write your text, and if you finish, just click to the done button. In the font section you can find different font type, and if you want to change the color of your text, click to the color option next to the font section and just select another color. In the shadow section you can add shadows to your project. New, if you want to add graphic elements or pictures to your project, go to the graphic section at the bottom of the page, and in the symbol section you can find different graphic elements, and go to the photo section, and here you can select pictures from your device. If you want to draw, click to the doodle button, select a color, and you can draw on your project. If you go to the brush section, you can find different objects, and for example click to the butterflies, and new, you can add butterflies to your project. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.